Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox. Please wait a moment. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox, please wait a moment. You should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about the application of Roblox and you will enter. Here in this list of app info you will go to click force stop. Then we click storage, then we click here OK, then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then we can turn off your Wi-Fi like this, and you will wait to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.